Every year, there is a large amount of waste wire to be eliminated. Today we will take you to see the profit value of the battery car line. Today's copper price is $65,500 a ton. The copper content is 28 to 32%. The price of buying a battery car dismantling line is $16,000 a ton. If the copper separation rate extracted is 32%, the remaining line skin is sold for 800 renminbi a ton. The copper price is 65500/ton multiplied by 32% to get 20,960 renminbi. Then our profit is following: selling 20,960 renminbi copper coins, plus selling 800 renminbi of thread skin equals 21,760 renminbi. Then I subtract the cost of selling the wires by 16,000 renminbi, which is equal to 5,760 renminbi. This way you can make more money. Our 400 type dry copper wires recycling machine is a professional environmental protection equipment for processing waste wires and cables. Further improve the purity of the sorted material by dry physical sorting. Let's take a look at how the copper wires recycling machine manufacturer makes the machine. The raw materials of the copper wires recycling machine chassis frame are mainly thick steel. The different quality of steel used in the same copper wires recycling machine directly affects the quality of the whole machine. The dry type copper wires recycling machine does not add water during the sorting process. Gravity sorting by airflow. From the crushing of the feeding port to the conveying and then to the separation and discharging. The entire workflow is fully automated. Today just happened to have a customer on-site test machine. The customer is very satisfied with the effect of this machine and ships immediately after the machine arrives at the user site. The installer will personally install and instruct the machine how to operate and maintain.